To create a rope design, you just need a curve. Now in this case, I probably don't have a curve ready, so let me just extract iso curve. For this particular surface, I'm asking for midpoint, set the curve, choose the rope type. If I choose 3, this is how I would get it. I can play with the pipe size and the number of turns. We also have the option of choosing 2 helix, where I might reduce the pipe size, or 1 helix. As per requirement. Right now I'm sticking to 0.25 and I'm going to say okay.